Well, this is the way that the fireplaces are designed. I just pulled these pictures straight off the web so I could show customers.
Yeah.
When it rains, water's inevitably going to get in through your flue. It'll hit this smoke shelf, and the water will get behind your back wall. The damper in that angled wall make the water go that direction. But that's why the back walls tend to have a lot of deterioration, because it's getting a lot of moisture, and then through time it just erodes the mortar.
Yeah, so the water comes down that long, tall part, the flume, and sits on that ledge there, right?
Yeah,
And then it just kind of soaks in and causes that damage.
Yes, and these are just illustrations of the way the fireplaces are made. That way people are aware that this is normal, and if you do proper maintenance under, you won't have to worry about it.
Yeah. Yeah, so it actually is pretty important to have a cap up there then, isn't it?
Yes.
Try to keep as much water from getting in as
Exactly.
possible.
You want to have a spark arrestor cap on top of it. That way water isn't just going directly into your flue.
Yeah. Okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.